Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Ezasin 21-inch self-propelled gas lawn mower. There are features include: powerful and reliable engine. Equipped with a 170cc, 4-stroke, OHV engine delivering 4.0 HP of power. This engine is designed for dependable startups and consistent performance, allowing you to tackle thick grass and maintain medium-sized lawns with ease. Versatile 3-in-1 cutting system. Offers flexible lawn care options. Choose from rear bagging, with a 1.9 bushel collector, mulching to help return nutrients to the soil, or side discharge for handling taller or denser grass, allowing you to adapt to seasonal needs and lawn conditions. Precision and wide cutting width. Built with a durable 21-inch stamped steel deck that covers more ground in fewer passes, helping to reduce mowing time. The blade operates at 2,900 RPM, supporting a clean and consistent cut across your lawn. Customizable cutting height. Adjust the cutting height easily with the integrated single-lever system, offering 7 different positions. This allows you to select your preferred grass length from a shorter 1-inch trim to a taller 3-inch cut for promoting healthier grass growth. Effortless maneuverability with high wheel design. Move across your yard with greater ease using 10-inch rear wheels and 8-inch front wheels. This design helps glide over uneven terrain and provides improved traction, making the mower easier to push in various conditions. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.